Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I just got ready to go to the very last football game of the year that my school is playing. But I want to thank you guys for experiencing the very first year of high school with me and, you know, supporting me all the way, like from my very first video to now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just did my hair. I love the way I did my braids today. I think it's really cute. But yes, come with me to go to the very last football game of the year. Hopefully we'll win this time.
They're gonna win this time.
Have you ever heard of the legendary F1 F1 is actually the most legendary guy. He's right there. Get him quick. He's right there.
Another night goes by. I can't describe what you are.
Defense again. Fourth down.
You could be the one to make me wanna go home. Feel like being brand new.
Watching them. Oh my goodness. Yeah, why am I like descending?
We're winning. 5-7. Oh.
There was a bug.
We're winning by 7 points.
We're winning by 7. It's 7-0. Oh.
Hey!
We just almost basically got a touchdown. Wait, show the scoreboard.
7 points to 0. Eh?
Have you posted your study vlog yet? She aces every test, so like whatever study like method she shows you guys, use it because yeah, she's gonna get it.
Thank you. No, I just like can't film myself studying because I know that I'm filming myself. You know, so I can't watch it.
Maybe hide the
I'll have you record for me.
I used to film myself studying a lot on time lapse, and then it would take up too much space on my phone, so I just delete it.
No, but we're actually winning for once.
For once, I think I've only seen us win one other game.
Okay. Bye guys.
Another night goes by. I can't describe.
Done getting ready for school, and it feels like I haven't filmed a day in my life at school in such a long time, but I'm finally back and I have like a week and a half left of school this school year, which is honestly making me really sad. But today I think is like the only day where a lot of my friends' schedules align with mine. I'm gonna treat this as the last day of school today, and I'll take you guys along with me.
Okay, I know this is like expected, but I'm just trying out my new earphones that you see I have on, and they have the best audio ever. Like I feel like I'm in the song. But another thing, I'm walking to school. No, yesterday when I was walking to school, I saw the largest bug of my life. I promise you it was the size of my hand. Wait, I'll put a picture up. I know it's called like a Titanus giant. No, what? No. No, what? No. Bye, guys.
Megan,
You got this!
pitch it up an octave.
Wait, I'm pretty sure it starts like...
You got this.
The snow goes white on the
Oh.
footprints to be seen. That's good. Let the storm rage on. Will never bother me anyway. Oh, every person who Pickles.
Mariana has pickles.
You'll see it later. We can redo it. We can redo it. Guys, this was the OG tree.
Real.
Oh my god, we have to redo it. Take it like. Yeah, we'll redo it and put side by side for you guys. It's so hot out, guys.
It's not even summertime, and it's 88 degrees. You're funny. Great day of school today. It was a good day. Yeah, it was a good day. I did a bunch of interviews. You guys will know what I'm talking about later, but yeah, I'll see you guys at home.
So as you guys can probably tell, I just got out of the shower and I am at my desk because I am finally writing a essay to my teacher, and I actually do this every year. I started this tradition in 7th grade, I'm pretty sure, just because I want to honor my teacher. So I usually just choose one teacher that has made an impact on me and my life, but I think I'm going to do 2 this year. I think genuinely, like, I don't know if any are watching this right now, but teachers are so underappreciated for all the work they do, and I think just like a simple letter or a simple gift could change your day. For my favorite teacher this year, she's just amazing. I'm not gonna say her name on here, of course, but she's just amazing. Like, every single day she comes into school and she just rocks it. I don't know, but this is your sign to do something nice for your teacher or teachers or whatever you want to do, because they deserve it. Genuinely, they deserve it. Like, their pay, but the amount of hard work they do every day for students, the amount of prep and studying and just everything. Like, I can't even imagine that, handling around 100 different kids every day. Like, that's just insane to me. I realized this in 6th grade to 7th grade, and I started the tradition where I wanted to choose one teacher and just write them a really long thing of appreciation, because they deserve that and so much more. And I think it would be nice if you guys did that too. But yeah, I am finishing that up right now, but I wanted to vlog it because I wanted to get my message across. Besides that, I was taking 2 maths this year. I took geometry online and then I took algebra 2 in person. But I actually took my geometry EOC this morning and I passed, which I'm so grateful. I don't even know how I passed, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know how I passed, but I passed. So that's all that matters, and it's out of the way. I have all my state testing done. Now I just have 3 more exams. I have an English, a math, and a Spanish one that I need to complete. So, but after that, like, school's done. And that genuinely, like, I'm gonna be a sophomore, guys. What the heck? That's so, I don't know. I want to take this moment to thank you guys for coming on here and watching all my videos and supporting me this year. Just, I wasn't expecting my channel to like blow up so much. I really hope that you found something valuable in this year's channel, and please look out for sophomore vlogs. I need to get this essay done and cue the montage and cool music.
Right now, baby.
makeup is done and I'm about to head to school.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 이 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 정생각 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 보는 너무 아름다운 너희 그거 조금만 더 그 바람 조금만 이제는 어디까지 벌어졌지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시
Host? Yeah, you are. Okay, host. Host. Luau party. Host luau party. How do we feel? Don't, especially in Florida.
Hey, they have cute outfits.
Yeah, unless it's a cute outfit, you know, that's what matters.
First choice.
No, you look so cute. Everybody's red, so like.
I should wear my like swimsuit.
Yeah, literally.
나가고 싶어 좋은 것만 내게 보여주고 싶은 거 나도 알아 근데 난 이게 더 좋은 걸 빛이 볼 필요도 없이 너를 만져도 되고 재밌는 영화도 보고 편해진 열 내가 걱정이 된다면 말해 편한 일상 속에서 행복을 못 찾으건 부질없는 짓이 Right now 난 이 보배 같은 너의 눈에 진주를 찾아서 네 바다 속에서 예른 날엔 혼자 아프다 그쳐 이건 절대 게으름 피우는 게 아니라는 거야 무슨 말을 해도 핑계처럼 들릴 테니까 일단 Baby I need you 이렇게 I can't leave you
Wait, are we doing like an actual cute one? Yeah.
아무것도 안 해도 좋은 걸 I can't leave you
Wait, Hi guys. Oh, I mean, gosh dang it. Gosh, don't try to get me canceled. Are you out?
Thank you, Kira, for the cookies. Cheers to that. No.
Guys.
So cute.
She is a fire. Oh.
Hey guys, I just got finished getting ready for the beach and it is officially the last day of school, or I'm officially done school. Me and my friends are going to the beach to celebrate the last day of school, and then also it's one of my friends' birthday, Shunika. If you're watching this, happy birthday. And then I have her gift right here and I'll give you a little haul of what I got her. So first, I made her a little card. It has little Smitskis and a Chihuahua right here, and I think it's really cute. Next, I got her this My Melody light up keychain. I think it's super cute. I saw it in Miniso, so if you want it, you can go buy it. And I think it's perfect for her. This cute little pens. Also, I got her this pearl heart headband. Some Kit Kats, which are her favorite candy, by the way. These cute little brand-new shorts. Her favorite color is baby pink, and I think these are gonna look really cute on her. So I got her these, and I still need to wrap her gift, so let's do that with each other. Card. I'm gonna show you how I wrap my gifts. My mom taught me this. Take it like this, scrunch in the middle, and then you twist, and then you go here, and you just put it on top. And then you fill it up. And now it's all perfect and ready to go. I'll obviously vlog for you guys, and you'll get to see my friends and the beach, and I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys later when we get there.